Learn 25 informal English words and phrases for daily use. Gotcha. Meaning, I understand or I caught you. Oh, gotcha, now I understand. Gotcha. You can't hide from me. Cool with that. Meaning, okay, fine, or comfortable with something. If you want to change the plan, I'm cool with that. Are you cool with sharing the bill? Play it cool. Meaning, stay calm and relaxed. Don't show too much excitement, fear, or emotion. Play it cool. Don't let them see you're nervous. He tried to play it cool after making the mistake. Hit me up. Meaning, contact me. Hit me up when you're free. If you need help, just hit me up. Just hit me up on WhatsApp later. Hang in there. Meaning, stay strong and don't give up, even when things are hard. Hang in there, things will get better. Exams are tough, but hang in there. Cut it out. Meaning, an informal way to say stop it, usually when annoyed or irritated. Cut it out. You're being noisy. Hey, cut it out. That's not funny. Crash and burn. Meaning, to fail suddenly or very badly. His business idea crashed and burned. The plan looked great, but it crashed and burned in the end. Big time. Meaning, a lot, very much, to a great extent. I enjoyed that trip big time. You helped me out big time, thanks. He messed up big time in the interview. Throw shade. Meaning, to subtly insult or criticize someone. She threw shade at him in the meeting. Stop throwing shade, it's so obvious. Rip off. Meaning, something too expensive or not worth the money. $50 for this? What a rip-off! These shoes look cheap, such a rip-off. Rip off. Meaning, to cheat someone by charging too much money or giving something not worth the price. The shop ripped me off. I paid double the price. Don't go there, they'll rip you off. Space out. Meaning, to stop paying attention because you're daydreaming or lost in thought. Sorry, I spaced out. What did you say? I totally spaced out during that boring lecture. Zone in. Meaning, to focus closely and give full attention to something. I need to zone in on my studies before the exam. Let's zone in and finish this task. Cram. Meaning, to study a lot in a short amount of time, usually right before an exam. I crammed all night for the exam. She's cramming before the test. Geek out. Meaning, to get very excited when talking about something you really like. We geeked out over the new video game all night. He geeks out about cars like crazy. Go nuts. Meaning, to get very excited or act a little crazy. Don't go nuts, just stay calm. He went nuts after winning the lottery. Flip out. Meaning, to suddenly lose control, usually by getting very angry or upset. She flipped out when she saw the mess. Don't flip out, it's not a big deal. Jam-packed. Meaning, extremely full or crowded. The train was jam-packed this morning. The stadium was jam-packed with fans. Lighten up. Meaning, to relax and not take things too seriously. Come on, lighten up, it was just a joke. You should lighten up and enjoy the party. Shoot the breeze. Meaning, to chat casually about simple or unimportant things. They were just shooting the breeze after class. Let's grab some coffee and shoot the breeze. Bounce. Meaning, to leave or go away. This place is boring, let's bounce. I've gotta bounce, see you tomorrow. Jack up. Meaning, to raise or increase prices. They jacked up the rent this year. Gas prices got jacked up again. Jack up. meaning to lift a vehicle with a jack. We need to jack up the car to change the tire. He jacked up the truck to check underneath. Hit the spot, meaning to be exactly what you wanted or needed, often food, drink, or rest. Coffee in the morning always hits the spot. That nap hit the spot. No-brainer, meaning something very easy to decide or understand, an easy and obvious choice. Choosing this phone was a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer to accept that job offer.